Latest chika. Ati ni Idol tila may kirot na naranasan sa nakaraan. Doon ay pangilinan, naiiyak, natatakot mawala ang aktres sa kanya. Yan ang inamin niya sa isang interview. Alam mo yun, some stories don't end with a forever. Some stories don't ever get the chance to begin. Alam mo yun, you had love but you never had the time. You had the story but never the chapter. You had each other but not the forever. But even if it was short, even if it wasn't forever, it was still love. Nagmahalan kayo. Pero ayaw ko nang maulit yon. Nasumuko na lang kahit may pag-asa pa. Kaya si Belle, ipaglalaban ko siya hanggang dulo. May forever kami. May magandang ending ang aming relasyon.